Okay, now let's look at point 8, which is lap length. So if it is specified here, then you should follow the lap length chart like that. But if there is no lap length given here, then you should do the standard. So if you don't know the standard is for tension, the lap length should be 40D, and for compression, the lap length should be 60D. Okay, if you're not understanding what I'm saying, then I'll just show you what I'm saying. Just wait a bit. Let me open up Paint. Okay, for example, say that there is no lap length specified here, and the bars you're using are the 10 millimeter diameter bar and the 12 millimeter diameter bar or the 20 millimeter diameter bar. So let's show you for the 10 millimeter diameter bar. So this is tension and compression. We're going to calculate the lap length for tension and compression. So if you go to Paint, let me just take a brush. Okay, let's take that brush. Okay, so let's do it for the 10 diameter bars. So this is 10 millimeter, right? So 40D, when we're doing 40D for tension, what we're doing is 40 into D means diameter. So we know the diameter is 10. So we're going to get 400. The diameter is 400. So if you convert that 400 millimeters, this is in millimeter units. So if you convert that by, we'll have to convert it by dividing 400 with 25.4. We're gonna get something 15.75. So we can round it off to 16, or for for safety measures we can say 17 inches. Okay, so if we come back here, you can see that the tension for the lap length in tension is 17 inches. Okay, all right, so this is 40 days for tension, and for compression the formula is 60D, the lap length formula, that is. Okay, so that was about lap length. I'll see you in the next one.